We are continuing our session. So like before, we are discussing problems related to addition, subtraction and multiplication and division. So we are familiarizing with some problems related to addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. So read the question. To stitch a shirt, 2 meter 50 centimeter cloth is needed. Out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? So we are going to stitch a shirt. Okay, for a shirt we need 2 meter 15 centimeter. So you can ask your parents how much you need to stitch a shirt, and for this boy he need 2 meter 15 centimeter. Suppose this is a shirt of 2 meter and 15 centimeter. This is shirt, and out of 40 meter cloth, so we have 40 meter cloth here. Cloth is here. Suppose this is 40 meter cloth. This is 40 meter, and the question is how many shirts? This is one shirt. We have 40 meter cloth. We have this much cloth, and how many shirt can we stitch? So this is 2 meter 15. So I can stitch 2, 3, 4, etc. So the measures are not accurate, but like this I can stitch from 40 meter cloth, and the question is how many shirt? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, and then how many shirts I can stitch? That is the question from 40 meter cloth, and how much cloth will remain. Suppose the last cloth only this much is needed for the last cloth, so this is balance, this is the balance cloth. We have also, so we have to find the remaining cloths also. So we have two questions: how many shirts and how much cloth will remain after stitching. So I hope you got the idea. First of all, for every question you have to convert unit to its lowest unit. For example, we know meter, centimeter, etc. are units of length. We can measure length using centimeter and meter all. So we have to convert all the unit to its lowest. Here the lowest unit is centimeter. So I have to convert all the units to centimeter. Now we know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, for 2 meter and 15 centimeter, I need for 2 meter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter, and also additional of 15 centimeter, 2 meter and 15. So 200 centimeter and 15. So sum is 215. So 2 meter 15 centimeter I can written as 215 centimeter. 2 meter and 15 centimeter I can written as 215 centimeter. So this meter is converted to centimeter as 200. And also this 40 meter. So all of you say, how can we convert 40 meter into centimeter? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. That 40 meter is equal to 40 into 100, which is equal to 4000 centimeter. So first step is converting all the units to its lowest unit, which is given in the question. In this question, centimeter unit is its lowest, meter is higher unit. So I have to convert all the unit into the lowest one. 40 meter and 2 meter 15 I have just converted into centimeter. So 2 meter 15 I converted to form 215 centimeter, and 40 meter I converted to centimeter. 4000 centimeter, so that I can do calculations easily. That's why we are converting. Now we have 4000 centimeter in total, and for one shirt we have 215 centimeter. Then how many shirts we can stitch? We have to divide. For that, for a simple example, we have 10 rupees, and we have 10 rupees in hand. We have 10 rupees in your hand, and I have to buy 3 rupees chocolate. 3 rupees chocolate. How many chocolates I can buy with 3 rupees? I can buy 3 chocolates, right? 3 into 3 is equal to 9, and I will get 1 rupees remaining. 1 rupees balance I will get. So how will you get this 3? We have to divide 10 by 3, which is equal to 3. So likewise we have to divide 4000 by 215. All of you pause this video, and after completing your division you can check. I hope you completed this division. So 4000 divided by 215. So divide this. So out of 400 we have 1 into 215. So if you don't know division, study it from your parents. So 400 minus 215 is equal to 185. So 1850. Now check for the table of 215. I will get 1 into 215 is equal to 215 out of 1815. How many 215s are there? I have to check. 215 into 6 is equal to 1290, which is less than 1850. So check for 8. 1720, where 215 into 9 is equal to 1935, which is greater. So this is smaller, so I have to choose this 8. So we get 1720. So 130. Okay. So I get the answer 18 and a remainder of 130. If you don't know division, ask your parents. If you still have some doubts on division, you can call me. So division you have already learned in your previous classes. So we get 18 as the answer. So number of shirts, the total cloth needed for a shirt, which is equal to 4000 by 215. I got answer 18. So 18 complete shirt. So this is in decimal form. You don't need this. Just this 18 is needed. So we can stitch 18 shirt. We can stitch 18 shirt. So one shirt we need 215 centimeter, and for 18 shirt we need 18 into 215. So 18 into 215 is equal to 3870. 3870. So we have 4000 centimeter. For 18 shirt we only need 3870. So the remaining cloth I get, just subtract 4000 minus 3870. I get 130 centimeter. 130 centimeter, which is equal to 1.3 meter. 130 centimeter can be converted into meter by dividing 100. 130 by 100. Here we have two zeros, so point, move two decimal point to the left side. 130 centimeter can be converted into meter. The answer is 1.3 meter. divide by 100 in order to convert centimeter into meter. So next question. Medicine is packaged in boxes, each weighing 4 kilogram and 500 gram. 4 kilogram and 500 gram. Important point. And how many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kilogram? So the total capacity is 800 kilogram, and for each package we have 4 kilo 500 gram. So first I have to convert 4 kilo 500 gram to gram. So for 4 kilo I have 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So 4 kilo is equal to 4000 gram plus this 500 gram. 500 gram. So the total I get 4500 gram. So first thing is converting all the units to its lowest unit. Here kilogram is the unit and the lowest unit is gram. So I have to convert all the units to gram. So 4 kilo 4000 gram, 4 kilo and 500 gram I can written as 4500 gram. 4500 gram, and also maximum weight 800 kilo. So converting into gram I get 800 gram into 1000. 800 kilo into 1000 which is equal to, so we have 8 lakh gram in total and 4500 gram for one packet. So I have to find the number of packets. The simple example which we have already discussed in this previous problem, we have 10 rupees, we are going to buy 4 rupees chocolate. How many chocolates I can buy? So you have to divide 10 by 4 which is equal to 2. So I can buy 2 chocolates. Likewise I have to divide this by 4500. So I will give you one trick. So in order to divide 8 lakh by 4500, so you can remove this last 0 digits. Okay, 1010 I can remove, this 0 I can remove, no more zeros here. So we can simplify this fraction as 8000 by 445. Now only need to do this. So 80 by 45 is equal to 1 into 45. I get a remainder of 35. Then 45 into 350. I have to check. 45 into 8 is equal to 360. So just one number before that. 45 into 7 is equal to 315. So 7. I will get 315. So I get the remainder. Again 350. So 177. So 177 is the answer. So all of you practice your division. So we have 177 boxes. 177, the answer contains more numbers. 177 point, 177 point something etc. We only need this 177. 177 complete boxes, that is the answer. We can neglect the decimal expansion. So coming into the next question. So read this question. The distance between school and student's house is 1 kilometer 875 meter. So from home she have to walk to school. So the distance between home and school is 1 kilometer 875 meter, and she have to walk both ways. So returning to home, she also 1 kilometer 875 meter. So first thing is converting kilometer to meter. So 1 kilometer can be converted into 1000 meter. So 1000 plus 875 is equal to 1875 plus 1875. She have to walk from home to school and school to home. So the total length we get for one day, she have to walk this much. And from 3750, she is walking 6 days. Therefore 6 into 3750, I get 22500 meter. She have to walk this much distance for 6 days. So converting this meter to kilometer, I get divide by 1000. So 1000 we have 3 zeros, so move 3 decimal point to the left side, 22.5 kilometer. Dividing by 1000 we get 22.5 kilometer. So easiest way to divide is, if you want to divide 25 by 10, so here 10 we have 1 0, so move 1 point to left side, we get answer 2.5. If it is 25 by 100, here 100 have 2 zeros, so move 2 zeros to the left side, we get 0.25, which is also is equal to 0.25. If you want to convert 2250 by 100, move 2 zeros to the left side, so 1 2, place the point here, answer will be 22.5, like this. So repeating once more, the distance between school and house is 1 kilometer 875 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So we are converting into meter, then both way she have to walk, so that a total of 3750 meter, and distance covered in 6 days we have to multiply it into 6 and we have to convert it into kilometer. So next question, a vessel has 4 liters and 500 milli of curd. In how many glasses each of 25 milli capacity can it be filled? So we have a total of 4 liter and 500 milli, and also we have a 25 milli glass. So how many 25 milli glass needed to fill this 4 liter 500 milli of curd? That's the question. How many this small glass needed? So we have to divide this large 4 liter 500 milli by 25 milli. For that I have to convert 4 liter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So 4 liter I get 4000 milliliter plus 500. So that a total of this have 4500 milliliter, and we have a 25 milliliter small glass. So I have to divide 4500 by 25. So 1 into 25 is equal to 25, 0, 2, 200, so 8. So you have to multiply or you have to divide, it's your own. 0 and 1 0 is here, so I give 0 in the quotient. So 180 is the answer. So 180 number of 25 milli capacity glasses are needed for filling this whole 4 liter 500 milli. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milli. Capacity of one vessel is equal to 4500 milli. So the first thing is to convert liter to milliliter. Capacity of one small glass is equal to 25 milli, and number of glasses can be filled is 4500 by 25, which is equal to 180. So we can fill 180 small glasses. So we can fill the large vessel by 180 small 25 milli capacity glasses. So you have homeworks, you have 4 homeworks here. So homeworks are available in your notes. After answering, send me the answer through WhatsApp. Thank you.